My name is Edward, and I'm a son of the owner of this place. So it's my father's collection. And the main idea, the concept was to show Latvian-made bicycles, so from Latvian factories and workshops. Because in all times, started from 19th century until the Soviet occupation times, till 1940s, we had like many factories and workshops, more than 40 actually. So yeah, that's our mission, to save bicycles and to show it to people. Yeah, so started from the late 19th century, from 1870s, and in chronological order till the Soviet time bicycles. At this moment, this one is the oldest one actually. It's from a small Latvian city, Liepāja, near the beach, but it's the oldest industrially produced bicycle in Eastern Europe. And then the next stage is Pennyfarthing, or high wheeler. We call it in Latvian high wheeler bicycle. Of course, the construction is from Britain, but exactly these two models are produced in Latvia. This one is a handmade model, so just one blacksmith made it for himself. He don't have money to buy a bicycle, so he just made one. And then the magic happened. In the late 19th century, one guy in England invented chain, and bicycle became again smaller, lighter, and what's most important, cheaper. And in Latvia we were lucky, because the first bicycle factory in the Russian Empire, at that time Latvia was part of the Russian Empire, was opened in Riga. So Latvians started to produce bicycles for Moscow, St. Petersburg. Yeah, so these models are from this first factory. Different type of lamps, of course, yeah, the first petroleum, but then they switched to the gas lamps, like carbide gas lamps. Yeah, here we have a workshop, how it was 100 years ago. So, as a mechanic, you can see that not too much has changed. Yeah, exactly. So, Latvia doesn't have hills, so many workshops produce bicycles with the big chain rings. Models here on the wall, you can see it's all Latvian producer brand names, so these emblems or badges. Each one, it's one producer, it's all Latvian. On this side we have like models with unusual constructions, so not like a regular bicycles, like for example this wooden model. It's completely handmade, just one man once again made it for himself, but this time from wood. With a leather belt instead of chain, which is quite smart idea. The jam of our museum, it's produced in airplane workshop in Riga, but only one bicycle as experimental construction by an airplane mechanic from Riga. And the idea was to produce bicycles with a full suspension system. Like you can see, it already has a spring in the middle, and the front fork also works as a spring. Yeah, we want to expand this place because this museum, the building is quite small for all the collection. There are around 50 more bicycles actually. Through Latvian history, maybe a little bit through bicycle history, we can learn one thing from Latvia, that it's very important to just try to do something, yeah, because we had like 7 occupations, and we still try to renovate this our economy, our industry. Yeah, so just keep trying. I think it's the best advice. Yeah.